Welcome to this month's series, The Good Steward, where we are becoming better caretakers of all of our blessings. Many folks report that they enjoy our video content while working around the house, and we appreciate that support and dedication. It helps us both. During this series only, you will hear a little bell like this one, as an indication that a good steward tip is about to be shared on screen. This bell is intended to alert you to look up from your cooking, ironing, cleaning, and so forth, so you won't miss a tip. Thank you for being here, and keep your hand to the plow and don't look back, my friends. Hey y'all, I'm Miss Katie and welcome to Heritage Ways. Today I am going to invite you along with me as I use some leftovers that I have in the fridge to make a frugal lunch for Mr. Patient's day tomorrow. So stay tuned and let's see what I can come up with, and maybe you can get an idea or two. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Heritage House. We have so many new people here at Heritage Ways, and I want to thank you for being here. I want to tell you just a little bit about Heritage Ways. It's where we honor home, celebrate heritage, and spread hope. My Mr. Patient and I have 6 children, 3 still living at home, and 3 grandchildren. So we are very blessed. Part of honoring home for a homemaker, whether you work outside the home or not, but especially these days, y'all know we've got to stretch every dollar and squeeze every penny until it squeaks. But I'm going to make today something from leftovers, and I thought I'd just invite you along and see if you can get some ideas from it, or maybe give us ideas down in the comments. But I'm going to make buffalo chicken wraps with what I have. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this leftover chicken strips and the cooked bacon. It's all cooked. I'm going to prepare that in some sauce. Everything here is just stuff I had in the fridge that needs to be used up. It's going to be good. So let's come on in and let's see what we can do here. All right, I'm actually going to take, you don't usually find bacon on a buffalo chicken wrap, but this is cooked, by the way. It's going to be fine. So I'm just going to chop this up. I could also use this chopped bacon in tons of other ways as well, but I'm needing to make him something for lunch. We're already going out for supper tomorrow night anyway, so he doesn't need to be going out for lunch too, because of, you know, want to save the money and only so we can go out tomorrow night. Alright, so I'm just going to put this, bacon, I think I'm going to put it to the side. I'm not going to put it in my bowl with the chicken. Let's see what we're going to do here. I've got 3 chicken strips. Do y'all like wraps? And do you like leftovers? So many questions I could ask you if you're sitting here at my home, at the bar over here that's facing me. So I tell you what, let's chop this up. Now this is hand breaded. This isn't frozen stuff. I made these chicken strips the other night. So this is homemade fried chicken strips. It's going to be a lot, but I'm going to make him 2 wraps. And they're going to be big. He may or may not eat them all. He can save one for the next day at work. Don't forget to save money. If your aluminum foil is not greasy, reuse it. If it's not ripped or greasy, figure out how you can reuse it or recycle it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I have a little bit of this organic veal non-dairy ranch dressing, and I got it at the Amish markdown place. Then I have some buffalo wing sauce. Alright, I think that was left here when our friend Terry did a lot of grilling. So here we go, we're going to use up Terry's buffalo wing sauce. And I'm going to mix it with this ranch. Do y'all like buffalo stuff? Mr. Patient does. I'm going to use this whole bottle. I may even put the leftovers in a little container and he can like dip his sandwich in it. I'm going to wash this bottle and save it. If I were making salad dressing, or salad, I should say, and I was using this, I might add a little bit of water or milk, but probably water out of my Berkey to thin this down and use it on the salad as well. Like I would get every drop out of here. But this is a glass bottle. I can recycle it, but I can also use it to make flavored vinegars and things like that. Right, I don't think I'm going to use more buffalo sauce. I think that's probably enough. I didn't use it all though. All right, I'm just going to add this chicken and I'm going to toss it, but I'm not going to add the bacon. This chicken is well flavored when I fried it. And I think I'm going to go ahead. No, I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to leave it at that. Let's build the sandwiches, the wraps. Okay, before we do, I've got these onions. They're marinated onions. They're not cooked. They're marinated. And I'm going to take a few. And I'm not gonna give him many because I don't know if he wants them. So I'm just gonna chop up a few. Remember, this is 2 wraps. Okay. I have some shredded carrots that need to be used up. I have some cheddar, pepper, jack cheese. Then I got these from Aldi, protein wraps. And I'm calling them leftovers because I got them a few weeks ago and never did use them, so they're basically considered leftovers. So I was going to use them for something and I didn't. So 2 protein wraps. So this is going to help fill him up too, being a protein wrap. Now, this isn't as big as I thought it would be, so I think we're good on making him 2. So I'm going to go ahead and let's put, I'll tell you what, I'm trying to think how to do this. Let's do the meat first. Wow, I might make extra wraps. Or put this meat in the refrigerator for another person to have a wrap. It's going to be full in there. Alright. Let's put just a few onions, not even many. Okay. A little bit of bacon. I don't want everything to taste like the sauce. That's why I didn't put the bacon in it. It's just a few. It all adds up. When you're building something like this or a salad, don't you agree? It just... you go to a salad bar and you get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and it just all adds up. We love a good salad bar. Okay, I think that's going to work. Now, we're going to roll it up. I hope it doesn't break. Okay, these aren't as pliant, they're not as bendy, you know, bendable as like a flour tortilla. These are, you know, protein, so they're not as, they're gonna crack. Well, it is what it is. And it fell out. We have a place here in our village that serves excellent wraps, buffalo chicken and otherwise. Okay, what I'm going to do... Now, something I've done in the past, like if I'll empty one of these bags right here or one of these tortilla bags, I'll put the tortillas, the wraps, in that bag for his lunch tomorrow. But I don't have an empty one. So I have this bag that we washed. I'm going to set this in here. I'll warn him that they're not as soft and bendy. He won't mind. He's not picky. But I don't want him to spill all over himself. No, not have warning. I hope he likes this, but I think he will because he doesn't complain about food. He says he doesn't have a right to complain. If I'm going to fix it, he doesn't have a right to complain. Okay. Now, what do you think? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure these don't go anywhere. Like that. I don't usually like to send his lunch in plastic, but this is going to hold them in there, I think, pretty well. Alright. Now, that and an apple will be a nice lunch for him, I think. There you go. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today, friends. And I would invite you to go over to my website, heritageways.com. At that website, I have so much content. But if you're searching for something, all you have to do is go to the little search bar, the magnifying glass, and type in what you're looking for. And you might want to type in menus, because I have listed real-time, real-life menus that we have had through the years. I've got them by seasons, winter, spring, summer, and fall. And I have recipes, not as many recipes that I have in my cookbook, but we're working on that. Again, if you'd like to order my cookbook, link is down below. Information for that is down below. So we have a lot of more information in the description box down below too. So I try to offer you a lot of resources, whether it's in the description box or on our email mailing list or at Patreon or on Pinterest or at our website. I hope you'll take advantage of some of those helpful resources to honor home, celebrate heritage, and spread hope. And until next time, keep your hand to the plow and don't look back. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye, y'all.